OMG, the Samsung Z Fold 7 is finally here, and it might just be the future of smartphones. If you thought foldables were just a gimmick, think again. This is Samsung's boldest move yet in 2025. The Z Fold 7 is thinner, lighter, and tougher than ever. We're talking about a 7.8-inch AMOLED inner display with super slim bezels, 120Hz refresh rate, and insane brightness for outdoor use. Plus, the cover display, bigger, and now finally feels like a regular phone. Under the hood, it's packing the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 with Galaxy AI fully integrated. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing video, this thing is a beast. And yes, S Pen support is back and better than ever. Triple lens setup with a 200-megapixel main sensor, Samsung is bringing S-tier camera tech to its foldables. Night shots, crystal clear. Zoom, next level. It even supports AI image correction in real time. 5,000 milliamps of battery with improved thermals and 45-watt fast charging. Oh, and the hinge? All new titanium flex hinge that feels super premium and is rated for 500,000 folds. So, is the Z Fold 7 finally the foldable to replace your regular phone? It's powerful, futuristic, and packed with Samsung's best tech yet. Let me know in the comments, would you switch to a foldable in 2025? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more daily tech updates.